Hi, welcome to the channel. And my name is John Bon, or you can call me Bon. And this channel will be focused on personal finance and wealth building concepts. So, why did I create this channel? So, the first reason is I wanted to share my knowledge regarding personal finance since my background is I'm a certified public accountant. So, I'll be happy if I'll be able to impact at least one person's life with this channel. Second thing is I would like to document my learnings, and over time I'm looking to build a repository of all of the finance related concepts that are value adding. This video is not scripted. I didn't have an outline. I just wanted to start and be natural as I can be. And third and last reason is I would like to be connected to like-minded individuals, and hopefully we get to build a community of people interested in the same topic. So this is just a quick introduction video to this channel. If you are still watching, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye. Let's go.